Hi guys, good day. This is your coach Romeo Roberto Rovillos, and again, you can call me Mentor Rome or Coach Rome. All right. Today guys, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is kung paano mag-move ng earnings from your wallet to your to your available wallet. So that syempre kapag na-reach na natin yung threshold na 3,000 pesos, makikita mo kung pwede na siyang i-pay out or hindi. Alright? So, I have an account login here. Account to ng pinsan ko, and I would like to just log it in and then move it. Kasi yung pinsan ko, hindi siya gaano nag-online, and hindi siya aware kung paano gawin din to. So, nagtataka siya kung bakit. Sabi niya, pwede ko na in-cash yun, di ba? Kaso, nagtataka ako bakit 1.5 lang yung nasa available wallet ko. Sabi niya ganyan. So, sabi ko, sige ako na lang mag-move nung total earnings mo to your available wallet. So, I'm using Google Chrome guys. By the way, ang pag-move ng earnings from your wallet would take a minute para mag-refresh. So, I need your patience guys to at least wait para of course makita natin na mag-move lahat ng total earnings niya. Alright? Okay, so here we go. Just go to, of course, wallet. Scroll down, guys, wallet. And then, yung mga pop-ups and advertisements na pop up dyan, just close it out. Alright? So, as you can see, yung pinsan ko has 15 accounts. Technically, of course, kung wala pa siyang gaanong affiliate na napapasali to do the business, then ilan accounts pa lang yung kumikita sa kanya. Alright? And of course, yung pinaka number one account niya is malamang sa malamang. So, that's the first one guys. 19. So, move natin siya to wallet. So, are you sure you want to move 19 to your main wallet? So, just hit yes. Alright? So, ngayon guys, tatry natin yung ibang account. So, sabi ko sa inyo kung pwede pa siyang mag-move. I believe magkakaroon siya ng error message. So, ganyan. Diba? Are you sure you want to move 11 to your main wallet? And then, hit yes. Yan. Magkaka-error siya na you can move again after 1 minute. So, let's just wait for it for a minute to refresh. Ipopost ko na lang to, or sige hintayin na lang natin na mag-refresh yung 1 minute. Okay? So, there you go guys. Close ko lang to. And then, try natin mag-explore guys kung ano nga ba yung nandito pa. Guys, wag niyong kakalimutan yung mga ways on earning here on Facebook. Number one, of course, is social media natin. Next is email. Kapag may items ka or products or services, I believe na gusto mong ibenta or create awareness sa mga affiliates ng Facebook, you can just go to email. Meron din tayong Facebook University wherein yan guys, it would be very helpful whether you're new to this kind of business or yes, you've been into business. May mga detailed training modules provided for each and everyone once na affiliate ka na. Alright? So there. So let's try to go back to the wallet. And then, ganun pa rin. We'll try to discuss some of the... There na. 1 minute naman na. Okay. So let's just wait again for another minute to refresh the page. Okay. Meron tayong product inventory, guys. Ano nga ba tong product inventory? So, well, you can be a reseller for our ashwagandha products, which in we have the uh, trimming coffee, and then at the same time meron din tayo nung ashwagandha health juice drink. So pwede rin yun, guys. So try natin. Hit order. Yan, makikita nyo yung price niya, guys, sa nasa affiliate, and then may mga available package din dyan. Okay, there you go. Pwede kayong maging mobile stockist or product center. Okay? Then, let's go back na to wallet. Yan, 1 minute na naman na siya. So, hopefully, ma-move na natin yung another. Okay. So, since naka 15 account siya, guys, meron tayong 7,600 na in cash dyan. So, i-request natin ng payout din. Once na na-add or na-check na natin na na-add na natin or ni pinsan yung ano ba, yung bank account niya. Okay? What else, guys? Meron din tayong e-loading. That's the very first platform or that we have for Facebook. Okay? So, syempre, pwede mo siyang ilagyan ng ano ba? I-funds. Same goes with your travel and tours para makapag-search, book, and search and book flights internationally and domestically. Okay? So far, those are the ways to earn. Of course, you know naman na once you are an affiliate, you have the ability to earn as well sa affiliate marketing natin. So, that's another thing. Right? So, yun, guys. Last one na. So, let's just wait another minute. I believe, yan, 6-1. Ha? Mayroon pa. It should be 7,600. So, meron pang 500 dito sa 6th account, 500 sa 7, and then yun. Ano pa? Yun. So, okay. So far, hanggang dyan. So, let's try another one here. Point. Hindi pa pwede. Let's try another one. Di pa daw pwede talaga. Ang kulit ko, di ba? Let's try to go back here. On your dashboard, guys. So, makikita nyo sa dashboard nyo, unang-una, itong memorandum na to. So, there. Close natin yan. And then, car points, guys. I believe, one of the ways on how can you earn car points is if you get to activate like 3 accounts for single head. Like kunwari si pinsan nag 15 account siya. So sa car points ko, meron akong 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So, 5 car points. So, yun. And then, okay, balik tayo sa wallet. Pwede na to. Just another one. 6th. Okay na siya. And, saan yung iba? Kasi meron na tayong available na 1.5. Asan na yung iba? Ito pala, number 4. Hindi ko pa nakita. Okay guys, ipopost ko to and then kasi syempre ayoko naman kayong paghintayin. And then later on makikita natin yung 7, 6. Or actually that's how you do it guys. So once na magmo-move kayo ng earnings from any of your accounts, just go to wallet and then hit the plus sign on each side or kapag desktop view, agad na dyan, meron na siyang move on the far right hand. Makikita nyo siya agad. Okay? So there you go guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is your coach, Romeo Roberto Rovillos. I'm sorry guys. Hindi nyo makita yung mukha ko. Actually, dinisable ko yung camera para hindi nyo makita kasi inaantok na ako. I just got home from work and yun. So there you go guys. To those folks na naghahanap pa rin ng active leader here on Facebook, I'll be more than happy and willing to guide you guys on how can you earn here on Facebook. Actually, the best thing about our team Rockstar under Team Champions is that we have training modules provided by our uh, head coach which is si Neil Brian Poserio. Siya po yung ating 12 millionaire and I believe yung earnings na niya is nasa 3.5 something. So, yun guys. Again guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa YouTube channel ko and on my Facebook, just go to YouTube and then subscribe. Okay? Thank you so much guys for watching and bye for now.